Okay, Jenny, over here.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
we got cat food, and she's got a lesion in the left armpit. We're very suspicious she has a condition called Hidradenitis Suppurativa. Isn't that right, cat food?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to be talking more about that. But for now, we're going to drain this big lesion that you have here. It's very red, very hot, and obviously infected. But we don't know if that infection is primary or secondary. So this may be an HS lesion that's gotten secondarily infected. So for now, what we're going to do is we're going to numb this for you, and then we're going to drain it. We're going to do a little culture, and we don't expect the culture to necessarily come back and grow anything, but it might. Now, this is a nice young lady who does have armpit hair because she's been instructed by her gynecologist not to shave her armpits, right?
Yeah.
Because they can contribute, by shaving it contributes to this problem, and so we don't like that, right?
Correct.
Okay. Jenny, can you see all right?
Yes, sir.
We got Misty helping. We got Jenny on the camera.
Hello.
Hello.
Cat food, are you okay if we video your procedure for all our friends on YouTube?
Yes.
Does Misty love you?
Of course I do.
Good. Then maybe
We all
she'll
love
use.
her.
Maybe she'll spray the cold spray.
Oh, hi.
Right here for me, please, ma'am. Right about there. Jenny, can you see all right?
Yes, sir.
What's she gonna feel?
A stick, stink, and a burn.
There you go. There you go. There we are. So we're starting here. I'm gonna come around this direction. Kind of loud in the hall, aren't they? And then I'll need the other one, please. There we go. You're gonna feel one that's a little bit deeper. Now we are gonna inject into the cyst, guys, and the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want her to feel any pain in the other areas. And I know this all communicates, and I know this puts us at risk of this spewing, which it's probably gonna do anyway, but all right, so now we've numbed this up. This is 1% lidocaine with epinephrine. We're gonna give this a couple of minutes to really work before we go ahead and open this up. Jenny, let's stop for now.
Smile. Oh, she isn't really smiling. We are rolling.
We're rolling.
Yes, sir.
Cat food, I hope
We
you're not
are.
feeling any pain. This is where we need some scary monster music, right?
Yeah.
That'd be good.
With the shark.
We're gonna make a little incision. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Hopefully this isn't gonna hurt. If you feel any pain, you're gonna tell me, right?
Yes.
Now some of this coming out of here, some of this liquid is of course the anesthetic we injected, right? But this pus coming out, oh,
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Did I tell you that, T?
You don't
I
have
told you that. Oh, yes.
oh, that's got a pretty
Culture.
strong odor to it, so we're gonna do the culture. Not trying to be mean, I'm just making a statement there, statement of fact. Ooh, don't stab me.
No.
Okay, let's see if we can get some more out of here.
Watch this.
I'm trying not to take a bath today. I mean, I had a bath today, but I mean, I don't want a bath in.
You want to put the spray.
Right.
Aha. Oh, I like that. Call me weird.
Almost got me. Okay, we'll call you weird, Jenny.
Just like I love to do the ear lavage.
Do you?
Yes.
Give me some more, please. You feeling all right, my friend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where are you going?
I'm running.
Some of this looks like it's been here for a
This
while.
On the camera, that's what I need.
Yeah.
You okay, baby?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I think we're going to be ready for the flush here in a moment. Oh, we got more in there, don't we? Not hurting you, am I? So I'm kind of pushing a little bit hard.
She's so good.
She's awesome.
Awesome. Oh, wow. Look at that.
You had a lot in there.
Oh, more.
This looks like more like a little carbuncle. More gauze. Where you going?
I'm not going anywhere.
Don't try to escape.
I'm not.
All right.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
You
Okay, I need a
feel so
cotton
much-
tipped applicator, please.
You're gonna feel so much better in a bit.
Oh, absolutely. Definitely was a carbuncle. Just get in there.
Now y'all appreciate what I said to do it now instead of waiting until the last minute.
Yeah, don't wait till the last minute. But this was only 2 days old for you, right? So
Yeah.
it's not like you waited very long.
Well, no, we were gonna wait to the end of the
Okay,
day.
ready for the flush.
Ready for the flush.
Here goes flush. Can you see okay, Jenny?
Yes, sir.
Squirt in.
Now what came out right now is
That's a little dilute hydrogen peroxide
That's right.
bubbling out, kind of cleaning the wound a little bit.
The wound, yes.
Wow, it's talking to us. It was.
Yeah.
Still talking
Do
to
you hear
us.
that? Talking to us.
Did you cut me
You're
off?
doing
the piece?
so good, baby. Hang in there. We're almost done.
I'll tell you what, just set the bottle down here. There you go. Why don't you grab the bottle for me? Hold it. All right, now set it down. Or you cut that. That's good. That
This
should be more
right
than
here?
enough. Yeah, that should be more than enough. And cotton tipped applicator, please. You feeling anything at all over there? You're not talking much.
She is good. She's
Very
so,
quiet.
What a great patient.
She's a
she
pro.
is.
She's done this before.
Have you really?
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to put a dressing on that, Misty.
Yes, I will.
And you already got your injection, right?
The worst
Okay, so she got a ceftriaxone injection, and so we're gonna have some antibiotics. And can I get another cotton tip applicator real quick? Hey, you were really fantastic. So we're gonna put a regular dressing on this, and we will unpack and repack this tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay? Any questions?
No.
All right, and we'll talk more about the hidradenitis suppurativa once we get this taken care of.
Okay.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Say bye, viewer.
Bye.
I actually doubted the claims of this product at first. I watched a lot of Dr. Gilmore's YouTube videos and heard so many of his patients speak highly of the product. I just ordered a 30-day supply at first just in case, but I just reordered a 90-day supply. I have more energy and in a better mood after 30 days.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.